Which sentence is missing a subject? Let's go through our choices and see if we can locate the subject in each one. A. Sentence 3. But the route can be dangerous. A simple way to locate the subject in a sentence is to ask ourselves who or what. For example, in this sentence, we can ask ourselves, what can be dangerous? The sentence tells us, the route. As this is our subject, we can mark this choice as incorrect. B. Sentence 7. His team is campaigning for the entire swimway to be protected, an area that would stretch over 240,000 square kilometers of ocean, about the size of the United Kingdom. There's more than one subject in this sentence, so we'll start at the beginning. Here we'll ask who. Who is campaigning? The sentence tells us his team. And following the rest of the sentence, we ask again what. What would stretch over 240,000 square kilometers of ocean? Again, the sentence tells us an area. As all the subjects in this sentence are accounted for, this choice can be marked off. C. Sentence 9. Like landmarks for the ocean, the seamounts are vital for navigation. Again, what? What is vital for navigation? The seamounts are. As this is our subject, this choice can be marked off. And D. Sentence 10. Made from lava, emit magnetic signals, which some species, such as hammerhead sharks and sea turtles, rely on to locate themselves, explains Hearn. Again, we have more than one subject, so we'll start at the beginning. What emits magnetic signals? The sentence doesn't tell us. Looking back at sentence 9, we can see that it's talking about the seamounts, but as this sentence doesn't make mention of them, we can see that it's missing a subject, and we can therefore mark choice D as our final answer.